Well, several ingredients come into play to see a tornado of this strength. That was an EF5 tornado that passed through Moore, Oklahoma. Wind speeds in excess of 200 miles per hour. Well, first you need to have moisture present. The Gulf of Mexico acts as a feed of moisture that surges up throughout all of that flat land across Tornado Alley. You also have to have some type of lifting mechanism. In this case, we had both a cold front and a dry line. Wind shear as well. This is the changing of wind direction with height and wind speed with height as well. And also the jet stream came into play. So let's take a look at this a little bit further. We do have an area of low pressure that moved across the country, a trailing cold front, a clashing of warm and cold air. Ahead of this cold front, we had a dry line. Very dry air behind it, very moist air ahead of it. Here's the Gulf of Mexico just feeding all of that moisture up. And then our jet stream, we had a low pressure trough, so that jet stream was dipping well to the south, a jet streak at the bottom of it, meaning very enhanced winds in the higher levels of the atmosphere. So all of these winds in different directions at different elevations in our atmosphere were acting to enhance that wind shear is what we call it. So all of these ingredients coming into play, the main thing to take away from this is that a tornado of this strength is very unlikely here in the Pacific Northwest.